Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to put competition shooting against police training. It's going to be the same distance. It's going to be one timer, so we're going to see who's better and who's faster in certain situations. I know competition shooting and police training is two different worlds, but at the end of the video, we can probably see how we can combine those to get the best, what's the word? So we can get the best training possible.
Stats, statistics, analytics.
Something like that. All right, today we have a special guest. My brother, he is a Texas law enforcement officer, been training firearms for quite a long time, so this is gonna be a good competition. See, if you get pulled over by somebody like this, I don't even know what to say. So what are we doing?
So today, I'm with my brother today. We're gonna go against competition, law enforcement training, and just kind of see how they compare. Two different things, two different skills, but same goal, right?
Exactly. All right, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, so for the first drill, we're gonna do a cold draw drill. So we've been shooting rifle earlier. We haven't done any pistol work, so this is gonna be a cold draw. We're gonna do one shot and we're gonna do hit factor, okay? So we'll put the time and hit factor points after the fact, all right? You wanna go first?
Yeah, shit, I'll take it.
All right, man. All right, shooter ready? Stand by. All right. That was a 269. Okay, that was the 199. That target is dancing. Okay. That was a 248. Let's wait until this motherfucker stands back up. God damn.
I was gonna stand back up. It's just the
Sorry,
wind. It's the wind.
I'll speed it up. Okay, that's good. 177. All right, you got 2A and you got 1C.
Shooter ready?
What was that?
176. Shooter ready?
Ooh, that was low.
183. Shooter ready? .226.
226? Damn.
So I'll mark him. I'll mark him.
So I got one in the A right here. 2 Charlie. All right, so for this next drill, we're gonna do build drills. We're gonna have 3 rounds each, okay? So the best time out of all the rounds, that's gonna count towards the hit factor point, all that type of stuff at the end. So it's gonna be a build drill, 6 shots, right about 7 or 8 yards. All right, 388. Come on, there we go, 388. Let's see what we got. One, two, three, 4, 5. Got a little, I'll count it. That's a line breaker right there.
You said what?
I said I'll count it. That's a line breaker right there. So we got all alphas. So that's good. $379. All right. Let's see what we got here. You got one Charlie. The rest of them are alphas. $507.
Yeah, that was terrible.
That's that sticky draw. That sticky draw.
Yeah.
That's the worst. All right, let's see where we're at.
It happens.
So 1 alpha, 2 alpha, 2 Charlie, 2 Charlie, 3 Charlie. I think 1 Mike.
$278.
Yes. Oh.
$278.
Got 1 line breaker, 1 Charlie, 1 Delta. Okay.
Shooter ready?
Trigger freeze.
297. 297.
All A's and 1 fucking Delta right here.
That was the frozen.
Finger said, hit. It's that new trigger. I'm trying to get used to that bitch. This shit's nice though.
Shooter ready?
Mm-hmm.
$280.
Yeah.
280.
1 Charlie. I'm not getting enough finger on the trigger.
Ha ha!
I'll take them. All right, so for this next drill, it's gonna be a reload drill. So we're gonna do 2 shots, reload, and then another 2 shots. All right? So you're up. Get your ass. All right, shooter ready?
Ready?
Stand by. That was a 5.48, and looks like it was all alphas. Ooh, that was terrible. That was terrible. Cause
597.
I hit my finger.
Oh, trying to reload it?
Yes. Well, that was interesting. One thing though that I noticed from him is when he's lining up his sights, when he's actually about to fire, he makes sure he's going to fire right at that age. As a competition shooter, we're just going for speed and accuracy, yes, but theirs is more real world. So like if they're in a situation and they have to fire, they want to make sure they're going to hit what they're, you know what I'm saying?
I got to hit the person. I can't hit the person behind them.
Exactly.
The other person. So
Yeah, as a competition shooter, we're just trying to get the A zone, B zone, Z zone. You know what I'm saying? We're just going for zones. They're real world, so he's going to make sure he's hitting what he needs to hit. I'm really concentrated on, okay, how fast can I get in the zone, if that makes sense. Yeah.
Yep. No, I mean, that's the difference. Y'all are for speed and it's a competition.
Yeah.
Versus we're for speed, but it's not a competition.
Exactly.
So
yeah. So yeah, you know. every time I come out here, I'm working on something, you know. So it's never a perfect.
That's the point of it. I mean, you come to the range, of course, to have fun, but you practice on what you need to work on.
Exactly.
And if you don't practice at home, dry firing, there's nothing wrong with that. Dry fire, practice reloading, practice everything. You can do it at home. And then when you come to the range, work on the actual A zones. That's what it comes down to. So start at home, bring it to the range.
Yeah, I can't even say it any better. But thank you guys for watching. Definitely like and subscribe, and we'll have a part 2. We'll probably do rifles next. Y'all want to see rifles? Let me know. That sounds good, rifles.
I'm cool with it.
Rifles. But all right, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.